Mask User Guide. Before using the mask, open the carry bag, take out the user manual and mask. Here are 3 different sizes of silicone cushion for your selection: small, medium, and large. Fitting the mask. Hold the mask on your nares in left hand. Pull the headgear over your head. Adjust the tightness of headgear evenly. Well fitted. You're able to put in 1 or 2 fingers. You may change the other size of cushion to fit yourself better. Disassembling the mask. Disconnect the headgear and mask, unthreading the straps. Remove the silicone cushion. Separate the soft tube. Pull off the white swivel. Reassembling the mask. Connect the white swivel, soft tube, and silicone cushion with the mask frame. Please note that there is a blue marking on the mask frame. Align the marking with the letter on the cushion when assembling. Glue up the headgear through the installation hole with blue suede surface outwards. This is a Y-type design headgear. Could be upside down. Wear it whatever you'd like to, upwards or downwards. Both are good.